Quicklime, also known as burnt lime, is mainly composed of calcium oxide, usually natural rocks with the main composition of calcium carbonate, are calcined at high temperature to decompose into carbon dioxide and calcium oxide. Check the tightness of the whole machine. Check the oil amount of the equipment. Strengthen the smooth operation of each smooth point of the ball press, and use a more correct daubing method to use smooth grease for smooth operation. 2. In the use of good line ball press equipment to keep clean. Check each part in time to ensure that each part is not loose and damaged in operation. If the 3-run period is completed, the quicklime ball press should be forced to maintain timely replacement of oil. Maintenance. Regular maintenance of lime ball press can improve the efficiency of ball press, reduce the intensity of manual work, but also can greatly enhance the competitiveness of enterprises in the industry.